sold out, sealed in Christ, led by His covenant from henceforth. No going back, no holding back again. Oh, I am a soldier at a battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander. Jesus, if you call